back to the Hackers Home, guys. Sorry for the long gap, I'm a little busy with my work. So finally, here is the explanation for BIN. This is the second part of the credit card explanation. Now you all ready to know about BIN? Yes, let's start. Before that, know what is credit card and what is carding. Don't worry, I'll give you the link in description. Watch it out, and now we'll get started. BIN. The abbreviation of BIN is Bank Identification Number. And now what is a BIN? A bank identification number is the initial 6 number that appear on a credit card. So example, in this credit card, this 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here the 1 2 3 4 5 6 is the BIN. So for what BIN is used and how it works. What is the work of BIN? The bank identification number uniquely identifies the institution issuing the card. The BIN is key in the process of matching transaction to the issuer of the charge card. This numbering system also applies to the charge cards, gift cards, debit cards, prepaid cards, etc. The first digit of the BIN specifies the major industry identifier such as airline, banking or travel, anything else, and the next 5 digit specifies the issuing institution or a bank. The BIN quickly helps a merchant to identify the monies being transferred from which bank, the address and the phone number of the bank. If the issuing bank is in the same country as the device used to make the transaction, then it verifies the address information provided by the customer. How it works? When a customer makes an online purchase, he will enter his card details on a payment page. After submitting the first 4 to 6 digits of the card, the online retailer can detect which institution issued the customer's card, the card brand such as Visa, MasterCard, the card level, the card type and the issuing bank country. After this detection, they will put an authorization request on the customer's account. Next, we move on to the authorization part. The BIN identifies which issuer received the authorization request for the transaction to verify if the card or account is valid or not and whether the purchase amount is available on the card or not. This process results in the charge being either approved or denied. So here is a full working example. If a customer stands at a shopping mall and swipes her bank card, once she swipes the card, the system scans the BIN to detect the specific issuing institution that withdraw the funds. An authorization request is put on a customer's account. This request is authorized within a few seconds and the transaction is approved. The credit card processing system would be unable to determine the origin of a customer's fund and would be unable to complete the transaction without a BIN. So BIN is a very important thing in carding also. If you got a perfect CC of a perfect BIN, then you can card a product easily. So the key to remember is buy a non-VBV CC of your nearby BIN. Why you need a nearby BIN? Because they will verify your address, as I said in this video. If you don't have a nearby BIN, then you can use a non-AVS BIN. Wait a minute, you know what is AVS, non-AVS, VBV, non-VBV? Oh my god, it's the third part of a credit card. So I will explain about this in my next video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. Visit our website hackershome.com and our forum.hackershome.com. You can message me on Telegram at cyberghost7 and join my Telegram channel for more tips and hacking tricks at Hackers Home. My channel name is. Thank you guys.